Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Darman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at the S Pen Pro. Now, this is a pen that Samsung has talked about for a couple of years now, and it finally came out when the Z Fold 3 came out. I was interested in getting it. I thought it might be better than the other pens that we had seen so far. But let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this pen from Amazon, you can get it from Samsung, and I think there's a couple other places you can get it as well, but $99.99. It's kind of a back order, but I got mine pretty quickly, so right now it says it's delivered in the October 15th to 20th, but it came pretty quickly once I ordered it. It's a bigger picture of it right there, some different views. You got a little carrying case right there, and we'll take a look at that. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Here's the box that comes in. You got a picture of the pen right there on the carrier, Samsung branding right there. It's a little bit of information that tells you about the air action, compatible with all Galaxy smartphones that use the digitizer, we'll show you how you do that. But let's take this out, and this is what you get. You get the carry case right here. It's kind of they try to get a leather look here with this carry case. It's pliable. But it's got a little stiffness to it too, though. But this is the pen right here. You see you got the nib right there. And you got the connection button, and you got the pairing button right there, okay? And you can use this button for the actions and, to do what you want to do as far as camera, control the camera, or anything like that. And you got this can be used with all devices that use the S Pen. So you can switch it to the Z Fold to use with the foldable device, and you can pull the mode down to use with S Pen for regular devices that use the S Pen. Okay, little Samsung branding right there. You got a spot right here to charge the device with a USB-C. Supposed to last up to 16 days. I actually have been using this already. I charged it up on when I got it last Tuesday, and haven't charged it since, and it's still around 9%. So pretty good. Now you also get some extra tips right here and a remover. You get a few extra tips in there to replace. And there's a little quick start guide, a little manual right here to tell you how to use the device, all right? Now I've been using this pen with the Z Fold 3 and other devices as well. I like this pen because of the size. I love the size. I got plenty of maneuverability. I can hold the pen really well. And I like having that reach with this pen right here, okay? And it's kind of a fat pen, and I'll show you a comparison to the other ones right there, but nice pen, okay, to use and it works really well when you're using it with your devices. Now, to connect, you don't have to have it connected to Bluetooth or connected to a device to use it. It'll start working once you put it on Fold or either S Pen, but if you wanted to get the air action and all that stuff, you just hit the connect button, and you get a pop-up that says to connect the device. See there? So it's at 80% right now, as you can see that, and it says the device is connected, okay? And you see the blue light right there. Now when you pair it, you hit that, this light is going to alternately flash red and blue. That means it's in pairing mode, and you can go ahead and pair it to your device, all right? But it just flashes now because I connected to the device. When you hold that button right there, and you see the new device has been detected, and go ahead and connect, all right? And you go ahead and connect it. You'll see everything right there. And it walks you through the instructions once you do that, okay? 80% right there. Now here I'm using the Google Keeps app. Writes really well on that as well, no latency. It works really well, if you can see that right there, okay? So no problem writing. Everything works, you got that pressure sensitivity as well. You can make it thicker or lighter, but it works really well, okay? Now here's a look at the 3 pens that just recently came out. These are S pens that can be used with the S21 Ultra, the Z Fold, and this S Pen Pro can be used with all of them, right? So this is the S21 Ultra pen right here, as you can see. and this is the Zfold pen. You can see those two right there, kind of similar, except the Zfold pen is a little bit thicker than the S21 pen. Now this is the big one here. This is the S Pen Pro, and so as you can see, it's a lot bigger than the two of these. Okay, when you put them together, right there, so much bigger, and it's fatter as well. Okay, but you get a lot more features with this right here. You can do all of the gestures and all that stuff with that pen. Okay. Now, when you want to use this S Pen Pro with other devices, you're going to need to make sure that your device is set to use multiple S Pens. You can go into settings and turn that on. All right, if you haven't already done that. And the S21 Ultra, it uses multiple S Pens anyway, so that was not a problem for it. But other ones are going to need to use the multiple S Pens tab turned on to be able to use this pen with it. Now, I couldn't use the Note without switching it to regular S Pen mode, but I could use the S21 with it on the Zfold mode, so I didn't have to change it to use that. So that was pretty interesting. So if you have the device in the wrong mode for the wrong device, it'll prompt you to put it in the right mode, right? Like it's not on Zfold mode right now, so it's telling me that. So I got to switch it to Zfold to be able to use it on Zfold 3. So the air actions work just fine. You just hold the pen there. You can open the camera. If you want to take a picture, you can just press the camera button and press the button once and it'll take a picture for you. Okay, so that was a quick look at the S Pen Pro. It's a great pen. I think for those that are heavy S Pen users, you want to get this one because it's going to be great for productivity. If you don't use the S Pen very much, I wouldn't invest in this one right here. I think the regular Zfold pen is just fine. But if you definitely use the pen a lot and you want to use it across different devices, this is the pen to get. All right. Now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ out.